Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. This is Keezy Tech at your service, bringing you the latest and most in-depth insights into the world of consumer electronics. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our tech updates, reviews, and tutorials. Today, we're diving into a very important topic that affects many smartphone users, the Tecno Spark 30C. Specifically, we're going to focus on a crucial aspect of smartphone maintenance, LCD replacement. Whether you're experiencing display issues or just want to keep your device in tip-top shape, understanding how to replace the LCD screen is essential. Why is the LCD important? First, let's briefly discuss why the LCD screen is so vital. Your smartphone's LCD is responsible for displaying everything, from your home screen, apps, videos, games, to notifications. It's the visual interface that connects you to your device. A damaged or malfunctioning LCD can seriously impair your user experience, making the device difficult or impossible to use. Common issues with LCD screens include cracks or shattered glass after drops, dead pixels or discoloration, unresponsive touch features, flickering or dim displays. If you notice any of these signs, it might be time to consider an LCD replacement. Understanding the Tecno Spark 30C. The Tecno Spark 30C is a popular mid-range device appreciated for its sleek design, sizable display, and budget-friendly price. It features a large LCD display, which provides vibrant colors and sharp visuals. Because of its popularity, many users want to know how to handle repairs, especially screen issues. Note: always remember, attempting to replace your LCD yourself can be tricky and may void your warranty. If you're not confident or lack experience, it's best to seek professional repair services. However, for DIY enthusiasts, here's a comprehensive guide. Ensure your Tecno Spark 30C is completely turned off. Remove any SIM cards or SD cards to prevent damage during disassembly. Using a plastic pry tool, gently separate the back cover from the device. Be patient and work slowly to avoid cracking the plastic or damaging clips. Locate the battery connector and carefully disconnect it using the plastic pry tool. This step is crucial to prevent short circuits. Depending on the device design, you may need to remove additional components or screws holding the LCD in place. Use the heat gun or hairdryer to soften adhesive around the screen edges. Carefully insert the pry tool between the LCD and the frame, working around the edges. Use the suction cup to lift the screen gently. Once loosened, disconnect the LCD's flex cable connector from the motherboard. Be very cautious to avoid damaging the connector or flex cable. Tools and materials needed. Before we start, gather the following tools: a compatible replacement LCD screen for Tecno Spark 30C, product link in the description, small Phillips screwdriver, plastic pry tools, suction cup, tweezers, adhesive or double-sided tape, specifically for screens, heat gun or hairdryer for loosening adhesive, isopropyl alcohol and microfiber cloth for cleaning. Prepare the new LCD. Before installation, inspect the new LCD for any damages. Clean the frame if necessary. Connect the new LCD. Attach the flex cable from the new LCD to the motherboard. Ensure it clicks securely into place. Reassemble the device. Place the new LCD carefully into the frame. Press gently to secure the adhesive, and reattach any screws or components you removed earlier. Reconnect the battery. Power on and test. Turn on your device to verify the new LCD functions correctly. Check for touch responsiveness, display quality, and color accuracy. Tips for a successful LCD replacement. Work in a clean, dust-free environment. Use the proper tools to prevent damage. Keep track of all screws and parts. Be gentle. Force can crack or damage the components. If the new LCD doesn't work after installation, double-check connections. Why choose professional repair? While DIY can be rewarding, professional technicians have the experience and specialized tools to perform delicate repairs efficiently, reducing the risk of further damage. Maintaining your Tecno Spark 30C by replacing a damaged LCD can extend the lifespan of your device significantly. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or prefer professional service, understanding the process helps you make informed decisions. If you're interested in purchasing a compatible LCD replacement for your Tecno Spark 30C, check out the product link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Kizzy Tech. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time, keep your devices shining.